I am Dr. S. I. Madivara Torod, Assistant Professor at SVS Sons, Sri L.K. College of Commerce, Sankeshwar. Today I am going to explain the theory of demographic transition. The theory of demographic transition, it tries to explain the population explosion in underdeveloped countries. The central idea of this theory is population passes through different stages. Carl Sachs has identified 4 stages of demographic transition. Theory of demographic transition. There are 4 stages. First stage, second stage, third stage and fourth stage. Birth rate and death rate per 1000. In the first stage of demographic transition, both birth rate and death rate were high. This is birth rate and this is death rate. In the first stage of demographic transition, both birth rate and death rate were high. So, in the second stage of demographic transition, birth rate continues to be the same, but death rate starts declining. This is the second stage of demographic transition. In this stage, the birth rate remains the same, but death rate starts declining. And in the third stage of demographic transition, both birth rate and death rates are falling. In the third stage. And in the fourth stage of demographic transition, birth rate and death rate are the same. Now I will explain from the first stage of demographic transition. In the first stage of demographic transition, this is the birth rate which is also high and this is death rate which is also high. Both were balanced. In this stage, there was primitive technology. People were unaware about the modern family planning programs. They were unaware about the importance of small families. Birth rate was high because of illiteracy, predominance of agriculture in the economy and poverty. Death rate was also high because of many diseases in the economy, and birth rate and death rate were high and they were balanced in the first stage of demographic transition. And in the second stage of demographic transition, birth rate continues to be the same and the death rate starts declining. And this imbalance between the birth rate and death rate, it leads to population explosion in underdeveloped economies. Birth rate in the second stage, it was high because of lack of awareness and illiteracy. It remains the same. Death rate starts declining because of control over the modern diseases and increase in the life expectancy and availability of food and improvement in the transport and communication facilities. So the death rate has been declining, but birth rate, it remains the same. And this is the stage of population explosion. And in the third stage of demographic transition, both birth rate and death rate are falling. But death rate is falling rapidly compared to the birth rate. And in the fourth stage of demographic transition, both birth rate and death rate were balanced. In this stage, modernization, advanced agriculture and preference of people towards small families and women working outside, preference for the small families. So death rate was low and birth rate was also low because of the awareness of the people about the family planning and improvement in the medical facilities, control over the death rate. So this is the fourth stage of demographic transition. The first stage of demographic transition, it was experienced by undeveloped countries and it was experienced by the Britain before industrial revolution. And the second stage of demographic transition, where the birth rate continues to be the high, death rate has been declining. This stage of demographic transition is experienced by the countries of Asia, Africa and Latin America. And the third stage of demographic transition, both birth rate and death rate are falling, but falling death rate is higher than the falling birth rate. And this stage is experienced by Australia and Canada. And fourth stage of demographic transition, both birth rate and death rate were equal, and this stage of demographic transition is experienced by Italy, France and Japan. So in the second stage of demographic transition, there was population explosion. These four distinct stages of demographic transition, it is also called as theory of demographic transition because population passes through different distinct stages. It is also called as population cycle, and these four stages of demographic transition has identified by Carl Sass. This is about how population passes through distinct stages and the population explosion in underdeveloped economies. Thank you.